Hello, my lovely. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is Osua, and it is always a pleasure to have you here. And if today is your first time stopping by, please consider to join us by subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Today, I am sharing with you this delicious noodles recipe. It is simple and you would love it. After about 3 minutes, open it up and just take a look at this delicious chicken mushroom sauce. You would absolutely love it. At this stage, my lovely, we're going to add in our noodles. That goes in beautifully. Next, we'll be adding the chives. It is optional, but it surely does add another layer of flavor. I'll add in some bouillon powder and then top it up with onion granules. Taste for salt. You may use any seasoning of your choice. And have you subscribed yet, my darling? Please go ahead and subscribe, activating your bell icon. We are at the stage where we need to thicken up this delicious sauce around the noodles. I'm telling you, the taste of these noodles would surely amaze you. Just added in the cornstarch slurry and then give everything a mix up. Just take a look at this appetizing meal. You can have it for lunch or dinner. and you and your family would absolutely love it. Please go ahead and give this delicious noodles recipe a thumbs up, like the video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and put on your notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, my darling. Bye bye.